Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 2114, maximum number of words found in sentences. It is an easy level problem on the LeetCode and it is quite easy. Let's first try to understand this. What we have given is a sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. Okay. You are given an array of strings, sentences, where each sentence of I represents a single sentence. Return the maximum number of words that appear in a single sentence. So what we have given is an array of strings, and in that string there is a sentence. And what we need to find is maximum number of words present in that sentence. So what we need to do is first let's try to understand this by the example. Here the array is given as the strings, and in this strings there is a sentence. Alice and Bob love LeetCode. I think so too. This is a great. Thanks very much. So in the first sentence, how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words in total. In the second sentence, I think so too. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. In the last one, this is a great. Thanks very much. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 one. So maximum has a 6. So there is a sentence. There is a sentences array. In that array, there is a string. In that string, this consists of sentences. So this is the only options we have left. And what we need to do is how can we use this options we have given in the advantage of to solve this. We need to find something so we can take the advantage of. What we can do is we will check the spaces, like how many spaces are there, like here 1, 2, 3, 4. The maximum number of spaces, the maximum number of words will be there. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 5. So here the maximum word and the maximum spaces is here also. And what we need to return is the total words. So as you guys observe, the total spaces plus 1 is equal to the extra words. So this is what we need to do. And let's try to solve this. And how we can solve this. We will first take the outer loop. And in this loop, we will first check string sentence as sentences of first sentence. Now we will loop through this. What we will do here is check if cent of j is equal to space. We will increase its count. Okay. And here we need to reset the count. Also need to create an vector. Vector again spaces. What we have done till now is we have first taken an outer loop and an variable count, and in that way and the first index of sentence, and we will now loop through the sentence and finding out where the space is appearing. If in that sentence, if the space appeared, we will increase the count. Okay, and after all the spaces has been found, I will just push this space into the vector we have created. Okay, and from the observation of ours, what we have found out, the maximum number of space is equal to maximum number of words. So here we will find the maximum number of space. We now look through the space vector. We check it first. Okay, just here we will check the spaces of I. So at the end, what we will do is we will simply return the maximum word plus 1. So how many words will be there? Maximum spaces plus 1, the space will be there. So let's try to check the test cases. If it been submitted or not. So guys, you can see here our test cases has been accepted. All these two examples. Now let's try to click on submit. Before clicking on submit, let's first take a look onto our code, what we have done till yet is. First, we have created a vector namespaces, and now we will loop and then outer loop, which will be going through the sentence one by one, the strings one. And in that loop, we have taken the first sentence, this one, and after the process, we will take this one, and at last this one, and after the process, this one. And in that sentence, what we will try, how many spaces are we will getting. If we get, we will count the number of spaces. Like if we achieve space, we will increment its count, and like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total number of spaces will be 4. And after this interior loop will be finished, we will push that space into the vector. Okay, and this process will be so on. And after this process will be gonna end, we will find the maximum number present in the space vector. So here the code of the finding space. Here I have created a maximum and assigned the minimum number, and if it will go through the each and every number and try to find out if that number is greater than max. If it is greater than max, we will just assign that number into the max, and this process will be follow until we will get the maximum number. And what we have observed from our observation is maximum number of word will be total number of spaces plus 1. So here we have written maximum number of spaces plus 1. Now let's submit. So guys, you can see our solution has been accepted and all the test cases has been passed. That's it from my side. Thank you.